Okay, what we want to talk about today is there are times, even though MIRACO is, the benefit of it is it's a standalone scanner, so you can scan whatever you want and then do all the editing within the system. There is still the option to use it in PC mode, so you can actually connect it to your PC, or if you want to transfer information from MIRACO itself onto the PC. What are the benefits exactly? Some people don't necessarily like maybe using the touchscreen option when editing what they just scanned. So that's nice in some ways then to be able to transfer it onto RevoScan, and then you can personally use your mouse and edit it. Also, there's different options that you can find in RevoScan that you can't find in MIRACO. For instance, the selection tools when editing. That is another nice benefit. So it really is personal preference, but that's what we want to talk about today. So in order to connect your MIRACO to your PC, you're going to need a cord, and it comes with a cord, C-to-C connector, USB-C. So it's just a matter of plugging in here and also plugging into the C connection in the back of your PC. If though you do have a C-to-A, you can use a C-to-A connector. Just make sure that you use the transferring data one and not the one to charge your device. So a USB 3 A to C connector or C to A connector. But let's go back to this. So this is a C to C connected in the back. And then you just give it some time and then prompts you on MIRACO. It either says data transfer or use MIRACO in PC mode. So the PC mode is what I'm going to demonstrate in a little bit. It just pretty much would be like any other scanner that we have that's connected to the PC. You no longer will be able to see on the screen here what you're scanning. It'll just be like you're holding, for instance, range in your hand, and you're going to see everything on the PC. But first, let's talk about data transfer. So I'm going to select that. Data transfer, okay. And then just naturally it pops up here on the PC. If, for instance, you have a screen recording on this and you want to put that onto your computer, onto your PC, it's just a matter of transferring that into a different file. But if you actually want to transfer something you've already scanned within MIRACO, it's relatively easy. So right now I see it on the home screen here. And one I actually already imported, so that's kind of a nice function. It'll tell you what you've already imported onto RevoScan on your PC. But let's choose another item. We got this small little mechanical car related thing. So just click the box, really self-explanatory, and then it says import. Click that. And it says calculating file transfer time. Just give it a moment, and it'll transfer that onto your PC. And again, the benefit of just if you prefer editing things on your PC more so than using the touch screen. And also the PC has some more selective tools, which will make it a little more easier if you like that. So now it's moving along. It's estimating remaining time 3 minutes. It shouldn't take that long. Something I didn't mention too, if the item is huge that you scanned, has tons of frames, over 2,000 frames, it's also going to speed up the process in editing if you do it on the PC compared to doing it just right on the MIRACO. That's another benefit to editing on your PC. Okay, so project import is successful. Click OK. And then just close this project screen because it's showing you right now the projects that are on your MIRACO itself. Close that. And then you now see on the PC RevoScan, it's right there on your home screen. So you can see that. Open it up. And there it is, what we just imported. So pretty cool. So now I could go through the whole process of editing this in RevoScan. All right, let's go back home. Okay, and as I mentioned, we can see now what we imported already onto RevoScan, this piece right here from the car. But now if you want to continue your process of importing more items from MIRACO, go back to the main, or you can click this open. And then from here, it's just a matter of now that you're on the preview screen of RevoScan, click File, Import from MIRACO, USB. And that allows you to continue importing more from MIRACO if for whatever reason you already closed this project. Close this window on here. Okay, and when disconnecting it, this is very important as well. I'll just go back to the home screen here. Don't just pull the cord out. First, click exit on MIRACO. Exit the current mode, yes, okay. And then it'll prompt you on the PC. That's been exited. Then you can unplug the cord, because now we want to go back to showing how you can use MIRACO in PC mode. So let's just plug it back in, because right now PC is saying scanner disconnected. And then it prompts you again, data transfer, use MIRACO in PC mode. So now we're going to demonstrate how to use MIRACO in PC mode. Select that, okay. And where it says scanner disconnected, give that a moment and it should pop up, MIRACO is connected. Oh, there it went. Scanner connected, okay. So then just click on that. And now as you can see, MIRACO just is telling you the process. You know, 1, MIRACO can be used as a scanner with Revopoint and PC. Number 2, in this mode, MIRACO's depth cameras can be calibrated. Don't pay any attention to MIRACO's screen anymore, because now it's just literally acting as a range or a mini. You're seeing everything on the PC preview screen at this point. So let's try scanning it, just using it as any other scanner from Revopoint. And you can see here up in the corner, it says near or far. I'm gonna do near mode, because this is a smaller item. And everything else just acts as if how you would normally use Revopoint. I'm gonna keep exposure, the depth camera exposure on auto, feature tracking. Actually, let's do large. I'm gonna switch it to far mode. There we go. So again, you can press start on the PC or just right up here on MIRACO. Pause it. And of course, if we want to edit that, not too bad. I'm just going to cancel it. It seems like it would be a better choice in near mode. Show you the results of that. So you can just switch it back over here to near mode. I'm gonna do base removal, select that this time. And now of course you'd have to get MIRACO closer, because it's more so acting as mini at this point, using its near function. Okay, and there you have it. Just looking at the point clouds there. Nice example. So again, just personal preference. If you want to connect it to the PC, now you can do all the editing here. More comfortable. If I do start, if I click complete, if I were to do this by hand, not the one-click editing, but select Fusion, then I can go through this whole process just like with any other scanner, and I'm going to have more selecting tools on the side that I wouldn't necessarily have on MIRACO if I was just using MIRACO itself. So that is the option. If you like using PC more so, don't like the whole touch screen, go ahead, connect the two. But obviously MIRACO is an awesome scanner, standalone. I personally just like to use it for what it's best used for, and that is a standalone scanner and edit within itself. But it's always nice to have the option.